Miranda factory team is here in Monaco for the first round of the West Series. New year, bigger team and new challenge.
It's a race day, everything is on point, let's go for it.
Happy with my first e-bike race with the Miranda factory team. The race went well and I'm happy with the podium place. And yeah, let's see what the rest of the season brings.
Race of the season. I'm happy with the race and I'm happy with the job of e-bike Miranda team.
Race is done, just had a big mistake on the first uphill stage. I slided on the last uphill and I had to push it, but then I tried to fight to the podium, but I missed it for 2 seconds.
I'm super happy to win the first race of the year with the Team Miranda factory team because I broke on the scaffold last month. Thank you very much to the sponsors, to the team and everyone. Thank you.